He is not trying to. Oh my gosh!
What?
He's got it on a stick.
What? Are you kidding me? What?
He almost had it.
Oh, shit.
I got that on video. There, that's good.
On him, it can hurt him. They got big feet. I can't press like their feet.
Ginger,
They will bark.
get back.
They'll bark and scare it. What are you doing?
He's getting out on the stick over there. Set on the pool thing.
Where?
Oh, right there. It's over there in the cubby. Here, move over here. I'll hold Brandy.
That's all right.
You can see it over there in the
Huh?
window over there.
Didn't want to scare it. He'd have to have a long stick. Is that thing plastic?
Yeah, that's long. That thing he's got here.
Say, my God, he's going to get it out.
Oh,
Oh, too bad. It went the wrong way.
gosh.
You go around the other way. Go around
Okay.
the other way, darn. Get it headed out.
He's gonna try again.
You got it to get up on the stick? Of all things.
Okay, he's getting it again. Okay.
Now, to counter Eastwood and Paul
Get it up there.
the left has put out this.
And he has to back up to the door. Back up to the door. You're backing into the chair.
Get out, get out.
Oh, God, it came right back
Oh my
in.
gosh.
Don't
It just
want to
won't go out.
You don't want to go out. Is this somebody's pet? My Lord.
Hope not.
I hope not too.
That'd be
'cause
like
it wants to
illegal.
Come in. It wanted to come in.
Gosh. This is crazy. Yes. Where'd it go? Oh.